Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video on the Fitbit Charge 4. I'll be showing you specifically how to change the clock face easily in this very simplistic tutorial. As you can see right here, this is the clock face that I currently have. We're going to change it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap the Fitbit app, okay? Within the Fitbit app, we're going to go find our profile picture on the top left corner and tap that. Then you're going to search for your device in question, which is the Charge 4 right there. From that menu right there, we're going to go to Gallery over here, okay, as you can see. And now is where it gets complicated because there were other ways to do this in the past. There was a specific clock face button from what I remember having done this in the past with other devices, with my wife's old Fitbit, for instance. But in this area right here, right now, on the top tab, we're going to tap clocks. Now, as you can see, it's going to show us all of the different clocks that we can choose from. So these are all the clocks that you can choose from. Now, you'll notice that they all have different cool features with them. So like this one right here, as you can see, shows your heart rate in the top portion of it, okay? There's different features of them, right? So different ones will show different statistics. This one shows like your, you know, the percentage of your goal that you have met for each of those things, for each of those areas right there. So what you can do is you can choose whichever one you want. So let's say I wanted, for instance, this one right here. I would tap this, we'll do this one, Rifle Stats. I'm going to tap Rifle Stats, and then I'm going to tap install, okay? And what it's doing is it's going to find the Fitbit right now, and it's going to install it. You're seeing there's a progress bar on the screen. There's also a progress bar on the Fitbit, and it will literally install the clock face that easily. It's beautiful. I mean, it's literally so awesomely fast, okay? It's awesome. As you can see right there, we have our new clock face. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.